Hello, I want to thank you for meeting with me.
Not a problem at all, Mike. Any of our agents are available to meet whenever is most convenient for you.
My family and I are looking at a more permanent living situation. Paying rent every month seems like an impossible way to get ahead.
Mike, I completely agree. Paying rent every month builds no value over time. It is a means to a never-ending cycle. Taking the steps towards home ownership is one of the single most important investments anyone can make.
Sean, yes, I have discussed it with my friends and family and believe that I should start putting some of my money into something that is not only going to hold value for me, but grow in value over time. And real estate is definitely a great decision for me.
Mike, I'm really glad to hear you're looking forward to this exciting step in your life. Do you have a home in mind you want to live in?
Yes, I have the perfect home in mind. It's in a great neighborhood that's close to work with ample room for my growing family. I would really say it's our dream home.
Mike, that's terrific news. Have you met with a mortgage broker or bank to discuss your financing options?
Yes, I have, and to be perfectly honest, I did not find the process very helpful at all. I am a recent college graduate and have been working full-time for the last year. The bank said I could not be approved for a mortgage right now because of my credit situation. I feel like I am being discriminated against simply because I don't have a long enough credit history. I make a good wage and a down payment but can't seem to get any advice on how to improve my credit rating with any of the banks I have dealt with in the past. Just yesterday a friend pointed out Lease to buy and his wife and their children just moved into their new home 4 months ago thanks to your services, and they highly recommend I speak with you.
Mike, I'm truly glad to hear that your friends are happy with their new home. Our first goal is to make sure we make the process of owning a home as easy as possible for our clients. We are not happy until our customers are happy. The first thing I want you to do is to not give up hope. We can potentially get you into your home within 30 days. Your situation is not a unique one. I want you to know you're not alone. Lending institutions have been forced to tighten up their lending practices.
Sean, are you telling me my family can move into our dream home right now? That sounds too good to be true. How can you do this when the banks could not?
Our process is simply an alternative to the traditional purchase process. We can work with you to make sure your credit gets to where it needs to be. Meanwhile, we will arrange to have you move into the home with the understanding that within 2 years you will purchase the home completely. We also have the best mortgage brokers in the industry, partnered with us to assist our clients throughout the entire process. We are all here for you.
Sean, that is exciting news. What do I need to do to get this process started?
Mike, I simply need your current credit report, the asking price of the property you wish to buy, and do you, or in the near future will you, have enough saved for your down payment?
Sean, the asking price is $149,280 and I presently have $8,000 saved for a down payment.
Mike, that is great news. Normally we ask for a 5% down payment. Have you recently had a credit report done? If not, we can have one done for you. This is an essential process to ensure you can achieve the mortgage at the end of our term.
Sean, I am so excited to get this process started today.